Pomegranate. Now repeat after me. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. A pomegranate is a round red fruit with a tough outer skin and sweet, juicy seeds inside. The seeds, called arils, are known for their rich flavor and health benefits due to their high levels of antioxidants and vitamins. In a sentence, I added pomegranate seeds to my salad for a burst of sweetness and crunch. Here, pomegranate refers to the fruit used to enhance the dish. Let's try another example. The pomegranate tree in their backyard produced dozens of fruits each season. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using pomegranate. Synonyms. Some related terms for pomegranate are fruit, the edible product of a plant containing seeds. Berry, a small, juicy fruit, though technically the pomegranate is in a unique category. Antonyms. The opposite of pomegranate would be vegetable, an edible plant part that is not a fruit. Savory item, foods that are not sweet or fruit-based. Pomegranate is a noun referring to the fruit itself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.